night. My name is Jaina Boy Cordero, 31 years old, from Philippines. I am college graduate of 2 years taking up of Associate in Hospitality Management, and I'm single. I am living with 2 siblings, with my niece and nephews at ages 5 years old and 1 year old. After I graduated, I worked at a coffee shop for 5 years as a barista, 2 years as a supervisor at Cali's Rose and Grill House, and 2 years as a nanny at Mr. and Mrs. Baligud family, with 2 adults and 3 children. I do household chores like cooking, washing clothes, cleaning the house, and taking care of children. I work as a helper after the pandemic hit the Philippines because it's lockdown. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money and to provide my family because I am the breadwinner of the family. I choose Hong Kong because it's a beautiful place to work and salary is good. My biggest asset as a domestic helper is cooking. I know how to cook and prepare food. Also, I know how to do other household chores. I am looking for an employer and I'm happy to serve your family soon. Thank you.